Hi friends, have you ever felt that your school or college marks define your future? If you have, it's time to change that thinking. Many of the IS toppers you admire today were once average or even below average students. Some even failed in school. But did they let that stop them? No. They worked harder, fought back, and proved that success is not about where you start, it's about how determined you are to reach your goal. Today, I'm going to tell you the real stories of people who once struggled like you, but with perseverance and dedication, they turned their lives around. Listen carefully because their journey could be yours too. Rishabh's story, the fighter who never gave up. There was once a boy named Rishabh. In class 10, his teacher looked him in the eye and said, "You can't do anything big in life." Can you imagine how that must have felt? Many would have given up, but not Rishabh. Instead, he made a promise to himself he would prove everyone wrong. He worked hard and did well in class 12, but because he studied under the Tamil Nadu state syllabus, he struggled to get into a top engineering college. Somehow, with a recommendation, he secured admission. But this was only the beginning of his struggles. He failed one subject in his first and second semesters. By the third and fourth semesters, he had failed 4 papers each time. 10 backlogs. It looked like his education would be ruined. But did he quit? No. He fought back, cleared all his backlogs, and by the sixth semester, he was eligible for placements. His persistence landed him a job at Infosys. But life wasn't done testing him yet. He failed the Infosys training exam. Another failure, another chance to quit. But he didn't. He worked harder, passed the training, and continued. But deep inside, Rishabh had a bigger dream to become an IS officer. He attempted UPSC in 2016 and 2017. Failed both times. But by now, he had learned one thing: failure is just a stepping stone to success. He analyzed his mistakes, refined his strategy, and in 2018, he did the unthinkable, AIR 23 in UPSC. If Rishabh can rise again and again, so can you. Failure is only the end if you stop trying. Nidhin Sangwan, the 1 mark miracle. How many of you have ever just barely passed a subject? Well, let me tell you about Nidhin Sangwan. In class 12, he passed chemistry by just 1 mark. Just imagine, 1 mark less, and he would have failed. Many would have believed that low marks meant no future. But not Nidhin. He kept going, worked hard, and in 2015, he secured AIR 28 in UPSC. Do you see the lesson here? One bad mark sheet cannot decide your future. Your determination does. Avnish Kumar Sharan, from low marks to IS officer. Now, let me ask, how many of you think 44.7% in class 10 is too low to dream big? What if I told you that someone with those marks is now a district collector? Avnish Kumar Sharan scored just 44.7% in class 10. He was an average student with 65% in class 12 and 60% in graduation. Not a topper, not even close. But did that stop him? No. He appeared for UPSC and failed his first attempt. He failed 10 state PCs prelims too. But he didn't give up. On his second UPSC attempt in 2009, he cracked it with AIR 77 and became an IAS officer. The world remembers ranks, not percentages. Keep going. Ajay Prakash, from exam failures to IS rank 9. Ajay Prakash once dreamed of becoming an engineer, but he failed the IITG and AIEEE exams. He could have stopped there. But he didn't. Instead, he redirected his efforts toward UPSC. He worked hard, studied smartly, and in 2011 secured AIR 9 in the IS exam. Just because you fail one dream doesn't mean you can't achieve another. Success belongs to those who never stop trying. Rukmani Riyar, from failing class 6 to UPSC rank 2. Now, imagine this, you're in class 6 and you fail the year. Most children would feel like their future is over. But Rukmani Riyar refused to let failure define her. She worked harder, studied social sciences, earned a gold medal in her master's, and decided to attempt UPSC. Without any coaching, purely through self-study, she cracked UPSC on her first attempt and secured AIR 2 in 2011. A failure in class 6, an IAS officer at AIR 2, this is what determination can do. And now, the most incredible story of all, Mutyala Raju Rev. He was a below-average student who even failed English in class 10 and lost an entire year. But he didn't let that define him. He worked hard, transformed himself, and in 2007, he didn't just pass UPSC, he topped it with AIR 1. If a student who once failed English can top UPSC, then tell me, what excuse do you have? So, my dear students, what have you learned today? Your past marks do not define your future. What matters is your determination, your persistence, and your willingness to fight for your dreams. Each of these IS toppers faced failure, yet they never gave up. If they can do it, so can you. Forget your past mistakes, forget the doubts, and start fresh. Your IS dream is waiting. Are you ready to write your own success story? The next IS rank holder could be you.